This is what hope sounds like, vocational training that offers real-life job skills and hope for a brighter future. In the 15-week woodworking course, you can learn how to make furniture or even cabinets. The shipping and receiving course runs in 12-week cycles and includes one of the most intense forklift training programs in Illinois. Students learn important skills to make them warehouse ready. Since 1993, more than 2,300 individuals have been trained and placed in careers by the Greater Westtown Community Development Project's vocational programs here in Humboldt Park and on Chicago's West Side.
I'm passionate about this program because I think that we're making a real impact in the community. We're giving community residents the skills and education and training that they need so that they can enter into entry-level and mid-level jobs.
And there's more good news. These courses are free. Westtown Training Project also helps with housing, transportation, and childcare. The success stories are inspiring. Before the program, Ray Hightower served 5 stints in the penitentiary.
There's a lot of people like me that never worked and been in the streets and just need some guidance, help.
1 week after he finished, Ray got a new job with great benefits. Current student Aaron Olive is already getting interviews.
It is a great program that you can come to if you want to change in life.
My experience here was amazing. I'm an artist, so I found a lot of creative merit in accomplishing the projects that they had us do here.
And Terrell Marshall says the program is rigorous, but you get out what you put in.
They give you opportunities to better yourself. It's not just about learning something and then, okay, figuring out what you want to do, but they're actually helping you better yourself as a person.
Students and alums rave about the instructors who believe in them.
They need to understand that, yeah, you've been beat down, yeah, you've had a hard time, but within you is an extraordinary power as a human being to stand up and rise to the occasion and do what you need to do.
Where my powerful people at? Right here!
Westtown Training Project empowers people to grab that second chance.